I'm going to show you how you can build your own communication network for less than $100. No cell phone provider, no towers, no technical skills needed. And not only am I going to show you how you can do it as well, but I'm also going to do something I haven't done before as of the time of recording this, which is a live distance test. So we can see together if this thing is actually worth the hype. So the tech is called Meshtastic. And here I have the two devices that are in a kit form. This kit was sent to me by Meshnology, and so a big shout out to them. I'm not sponsoring this video, and they're seeing this for the first time like you are. The hardware inside these devices uses something called a LoRa radio, and it creates a decentralized, off-grid, encrypted text communication network operating without a cell phone provider and without internet. The system works on having the text message relay information from one to the other until it reaches the recipient. And the nodes along the way that pass the message on cannot read the text message because they are encrypted when you create your own private channels. Now, you can go out and buy all the parts that make this thing up yourself, but I'm kind of clueless when it comes to hardware, so I like a kit format, and this just does the job perfectly. I have links to them in the description below, so you can check it out yourself. All right, here's what you get. So over here, you get the ESP32S3 LoRa 4 development board. You get the GPS unit in here with an antenna underneath that. You've got some screws to put it together, a battery, and a 3D printed kind of housing, so you can stick this all together and it looks pretty sick. And this is the N39 unit. Now, you can't have one, you need two, because they need to communicate with each other. So this is the N37 unit. This one is a smaller kind of case. I kind of like this one a little bit better. 3000 milliamp hour battery. It's got the Weo Tracker L1 Meshtastic and LoRa Dev Kit. Look, I don't know what I'm saying because I'm just reading the box here. It looks super intimidating, but the nice thing is that it's all already done for you in this kit format. So all you gotta do is literally just follow the instructions to put it together. I gotta be honest, when I saw this kit laid out, I was like, yeah, I don't know if I can handle this because I'm just not a hardware person. I'm certainly not gonna solder anything to anything. But thankfully, you don't need to do any of that. And it took me about, I don't know, 25 minutes or so when I just simply followed the instructions. So that's step one, is putting your device together. And then the next step is you gotta load the Meshtastic software onto your unit. Again, super simple. You just connect this to your computer with a USB cable and then head over to flasher.meshtastic.org. Select the hardware that you have and then click on erase and delete and let it just do its thing. This is called flashing, which basically means loading software onto this hardware. So that's another step done. All right, so we've built it, we've connected it, we've loaded the software. The next step is here, we've got to pair our phone with this. This uses Bluetooth, hooks onto the phone. Now, there are some devices out there that have the full keyboard, like a BlackBerry keyboard almost, and in the unit itself, those are more expensive. If you're just starting out or just kind of playing around like I am, probably not worth spending the money on that right now. Personally, I also like the idea that I can use my phone as normal and I still have access to my entire personal private network when I want to. So that's super useful when I want to send my private encrypted messages, but it's also super useful when you're in an area that doesn't have any cell phone signals. Like my wife was driving through this wild part of Texas and for a couple of hours, zero signal, complete dead zone, couldn't get a hold of her, everybody panicked, right? Or if you've ever experienced leaving a concert where 80,000 people are trying to call an Uber, yeah, cell phones are overloaded. Or when you go for those hikes in the mountains, there is no cell phone. So that is a perfect situation when this thing works, which is why I like pairing it with my phone. So now we've paired it with the phone. The next thing we want to do is download the Meshtastic app. And then you create your own private channel because I don't want my messages going across on any public channel. Now you can see here that you give it a name and it creates a key. Now, super important that this is the private key. Anybody who has your settings with this key is able to join your network. I don't mind showing you my private key because I just tap this button here and then it refreshes us so I have a fresh one. By the time you see it, that key is no longer going to be usable. So now all that's left to do is to now share this key and the settings with another person so that they could join your network. And again, the app makes it super simple to do that. But, and this is the big question for me, what is the distance that this thing works? Because I know LoRa means long range, but how long is long? I mean, it works in my house, but that's kind of useless. What we're going to do now is we're going to go for a little drive. Have this in the studio, have this in the car with me, and we're going to see how far we can push this. If this thing gets less than 1 mile, I think it's rather overhyped and pointless. Anything above 2 or 3 miles, yeah, this becomes a real thing. So let me go change and let's head out. But there's my little guy here. It's just by the window. I should be mounting this to the roof, but I'm just not going to do that. I've got a Pokemon event to get to, so I'm going to head out and then let's run some tests along the way.
So the plan of action is that I'm going to be driving, obviously. I'm going to be doing screenshots on my phone of the map and the signal strength, and then we'll see where this thing dies down. I can't imagine it's going to go on for too much longer. I am so far away from the original base station and I've still got insanely good signal. I want to see how far we can push this. So we're going to travel all the way out from, I think we're at Willow Bend. We're going to go all the way out to Louisville, which is a lot further. Yeah, it's got to drop sometimes along the way. But so far, this is way beyond more than I was expecting. This is just wild. Okay, I don't know if I'm reading this right, but it says 10 miles. We're now in Louisville, which is apparently 10 miles from where the other device is. I'm still got connectivity. I don't understand. I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. Like 10 miles. I know Dallas is super, super flat, so that obviously helps a lot. But we're 10 miles away, and I'm still connected. That's ridiculous.
All right, full disclosure, this is the next day because I got back late last night with my kids from the Pokemon event, so I'm recording this now. So as you saw, 10 miles. I mean, 10 miles is just insane. Not only was it like okay signal, it was still good signal. In the Meshtastic app, there is a range test feature which I enable, and that is how you can see how far I was. Now, I will say that Dallas is super, super flat. I mean, there's no major mountains or insanely tall skyscrapers as far as the eye can see. So this is pretty much like good, ideal condition. I'm pretty sure that in other areas where not ideal condition exists, the range is going to be much shorter. But I mean, still, like 10 miles is nothing to laugh at. Now, this is never going to replace your cell phone, to be super clear. That's not the aim of this. The aim is to have your own network that you control, that you own 100%, and you're able to communicate when everything else doesn't work. So when the cell phone towers go down in case of the zombie apocalypse or some hacker, same thing. Or when you're traveling and you're in the mountains and you're going through those dead zones and you don't have cell phone signals, you still have these devices which are able to get you that connectivity. And that is what's important about this. Now, this isn't some weird prepper French things. This is widely used around the world, especially in an area when there is no cell phone signals. So people rely on this to save their lives, literally, in case they get lost. And what's super interesting, where I am in Dallas, there are very few of these nodes around, and the connectivity was still excellent. So I imagine going into areas where there are more of these, it's going to be even better and even greater. I wonder what happens if I take this and fly with it across the country, if that's still going to work. I've got some work to do in Florida soon, so let me know if you want to see that range test, because that's really going to push it. So a big shout out again to Meshnology for sending these kits out and for me to nerd out with this. I like exploring new tech and new ways for us to communicate in a secure way. Link to this in the description below, and it's another way to stop being tracked. If you want to see more of that information, check out this video right over here. Give the video a quick thumbs up before you head out, and I'll see you with these in that video. Let's go.